Hey, so I was watching Instagram and someone actually figured out a way to add Bitmojis to your kids' work on Seesaw, and I thought that was a really cool way to give them like little feedback. And I use Bitmojis all the time in my classroom, and my kids love to see them. They like laughing at them in the math slides and stuff. So I just thought I'd walk through and like show everyone how I got the Bitmojis added into the kids' stuff. So the first thing you kind of want to do is set up a folder somewhere you'll remember where it is for all your Bitmojis. I already have the Bitmoji icon on my app thing or my Chrome, so I don't really need to add that or anything, but if you need help doing that, let me know. So let's say I wanted to add a little sticker on this friend's work for their piggy drawing. So the first thing I want to do is hit edit and then edit item, and it'll take you to the same screen where you can like edit their work. But I want to add a Bitmoji, so I'm going to go like this. I'm going to hit the Bitmoji icon, find which one I want to use. I kind of want to use one that says he did awesome or that I loved it. Here, this might even help me. Oop, perfect. So then I'll double click and hit save image as. Then I'm going to go find my Bitmoji folder. There it is. And then I'm going to hit or type a name that I'll remember it. So love it, hit save, and then it'll actually show up when you upload a picture. So here I have my upload option, and then it took me right away to my folder because it knows me so well. I found my love it. I'm going to open that, and then immediately it pops up right on the kids' work. You move it over to the side so it's not right on their work. But I just gonna put it right here so that they can see it. And then you can twirl it, do whatever you'd like. And then it just saves on there so then the kids can see it. Oops, wrong tab. So I just thought that was a really cool thing to show, especially since we're all trying to still keep our relationships with our kiddos and still trying to engage them with online learning. So enjoy.